Today we're going to look at how to go about making a set of engine mounts. First up, you'll need a car to put an engine into. Got that? Good. Next, you'll need a car to take the new engine and transmission from, and an apartment parking lot to spill oil in. Look at that, we're moving right along. If possible, a first test fit to make sure the engine swap is even possible is always a good idea. Here, the tape protects the mating surface from the chain. After some tracings with paper and a transfer to CAD, it's time to make some test mounts to check hole alignment. Then, it's on to laser cutting in the invention studio. Laser cutting yields very clean results. The more simple shape will be the passenger side, while the driver's side is a bit more complex. A few more laser cuts and some wood glue yielded something that looks a little bit more realistic. After realizing that this may in fact be possible, it's time to move on. Pay attention to the level on top of the engine, as it'll be more important later. To cut the 1/4-inch steel we had for this project, it took an oxyacetylene torch. It's messy stuff. Here we can see the wooden passenger mount from before showing as level. I told you it'd be important. And on the bottom, there's a raw cut piece of steel from the oxyacetylene torch. Here, the top pictures show the driver's side mount immediately after being cut on the water jet, which is also in the invention studio. The lower picture shows again that depending on the weld, this mount can be level. To avoid painful and annoying rattling, rubber mounts between the engine and car's frame are ideal to dampen vibrations. The top left shows the kit that we ordered, and the bottom left is an example of this kit or one like it in use. The right side here shows the preparation of the first iteration for the passenger side mount in steel. Here is the driver's side mount, with the ledge first tacked into place, and then with the finish weld done on the right picture. Now that we've got a start on the mounts for the engine, let's set up some mounts for the frame. Here, the mounts to be welded to the frame are marked to be cut down in height. Clamps hold the workpiece down, and an angle grinder is used to trim the ends. The next step is to drill a pilot hole, then drill to size. On the left, a center punch is used to create a mark for the drill bits to catch. On the right is the progression of drill bits used next to the pair of completed frame side mounts. Let's see how those holes were made on the drill press. Keep in mind, the cutting fluid plays an important role. We'd like to give a special thank you to the staff of both the Invention Studio and the Montgomery Machining Mall for making this whole project possible.